Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, today we are going to be working on the Peugeot 108 in the workshop. I've actually sent the bumper and the wing off to the paint shop to be done. That's now done. I'm going to go over there, grab those bits, come back, and we're just going to get cracking on with this car. But yeah, it shouldn't be that bad. But there is quite a few bits and pieces to do on this. Not only the front end, we've got the side as well. So once we've done the front end and the car is complete together, it's then going to go over to the paint shop to have that quarter and seal resprayed and redone. But yeah, nice little 1 litre again. Just really cheap car. So let's get cracking. I'm going to go after the paint shop. When I come back, I'll show you the bits, and then we're going to get on with just putting it all back together. So let's do this. Right, guys, I am back from the paint shop. As you can see, nice painted bumper and wing. So yeah, we can now start putting all the trims, all the bits and pieces, all the grills, everything back together, back on the actual bumper. A bit dusty from the paint shop, but normal stuff from them really. So yeah, there we go. Right, let's get set up and now start putting all this back. This car needs a bloody good clean. It is filthy. I hate working on cars like this because you can't see. You know, I just like things to be clean. That's just basically what it is. I like things to be clean, nice, tidy. You can tell by the workshop, you know, this place is never dirty. Even if it, like, I got a rubbish bag, a couple of rubbish bags down here, and bits and pieces on the floor. For me, that's dirty. It's just, I have to be clean. I have to work in a clean environment and a clean way. So, yeah, this is really bugging me. The way it is. The way it looks and feels, but we've just got to get on with it. Anyway, let's get cracking. We'll get the bumper back together first, then the wing, then we're going to fit the bumper back on. We've got to sort the headlight out as well, because that needs to be fixed back properly and secure. We'll get the feeler gauge on this side to get that gap with the feeler gauge, and then we'll get it on the other side, and we'll just sort of start building this front end up. Yeah, and see how we go. I've spoke to the painter. He does want to take the car tomorrow, actually, and he's going to paint along that seal, right over here, all that. He's going to sort all this out and then paint it right up tomorrow morning. So we've really got to get this one done today, ready for him to take it. So yeah, let's stop the waffling. Let's crack on. Let's do this. Right, okay, guys, there we go. That is the bumper all put back together. All the trims, all the grills, everything's been put back how it should be. I did put this rubber, you just see me do that at the bottom. There's a rubber trim that runs along the bottom there. I forgot all about that, but that is why I always hold on to any damaged parts on every single car, just in case you come across a screw or a bolt or a fixing or a plastic grommet or anything that comes off those damaged parts are needed. It's like, you know, I've just looked at this wing. So if you can see this is the wing. This is the wing I just got back from the paint shop, and this is the original one. So you can see that there is a connector, a rubber fixing that has to go in there. Don't know why there's a screw there. That shouldn't be there. So yeah, do you see what I mean? So every little thing has got to be kept. So that's why this is the original wing from the car. That's still here, so I can transfer anything over to the you know, the correct wing, the one we're replacing it with. So all parts get saved until the very, very last bit, and the car's gone and it's sold, and then it can go. Any bits and pieces, and then all the other bits and pieces and all the rubbish can go. But I just pulled in the original one off this car, the original bumper, and there was like trims, and there was like little connectors here, underneath here. There's little bracket things that go underneath there. On the inside as well, there's little brackets. You can just see the bracket there on the bumper. One of them goes each side. That was left on the original bumper as well. So, yeah, that's all ready. Let's move on now to getting the wing in place. Getting that done up exactly where it is. We'll use a feeler gauge. We'll get the gap right. We'll fix it all up. Then the headlight. And then we'll just do the bumper and continue with this one. So, I'll set you up. Let's get cracking. Let's do this. Right, guys, well, it is getting there. Look at that. So much better. So let's just start lining stuff up, like obviously the wing, the headlight, and the bumper starts going on. It just transforms the car completely, doesn't it? It's a bit mad, but yeah. I still want to play around with the bonnet a little bit more. I'm not quite happy with the gaps at the top and stuff like that. So I can do that once it comes back from the paint shop. But obviously today, the main point of this is to get it ready to go over to get this seal and quarter sprayed and painted and repaired up there. So that's what I'm doing. I forgot I put new discs on this, new discs and pads on the front, new front tyres as well. Done quite a lot of this onto this car already. So, but yeah, it is definitely getting there. We've still got a little bit more time, so I want to carry on just to see how far we can get and what we can get done on this as well. So let's continue. I'll set you back up and see how far we get. Let's do this. Right, guys, there we go. All nice and clean. Much better. I should have done this morning before I've done the rest of the work, but I wanted to make sure that the bumper was on, the wing was on, the light was in place, everything was in place before I washed the car. Just makes more sense, I believe. So yeah, a lot cleaner now, and it's ready now for him, the painter, to do his thing tomorrow. Gonna drop it off to him tomorrow morning, and then he's gonna sort of just paint up around there as well. There is some scratches and bits and pieces that I've found around the car, but I don't want to touch any of them until he's done his painting. It really needs to be sort of done first, and then when it comes back, then we're going to be going all over it and check things, and just make sure that I can get out, because there's some scratches down the side as well on that door. I want to make sure that we have a go at this as well on the side here. Really, I should get him to paint the whole side, but that is going to be an absolute ridiculous amount of money. But I think we're going to get I think if we can flat and polish them off, I think we're going to get a lot of them out. Like they're just like that one there is definitely just a scuff. So that'll all come off. It's this here that really we need to try and sort of pull out a little bit and then just touch it up. I don't really think it needs a respray, but I'm going to speak to him and just see what he says. He might actually run his polisher over it for me. I don't really know, but you can see the scratches here as well. But it is what it is. It's not a new car. It's going to have some battle scars. I'm just going to try and do the absolute best I can with them. But yeah, I'm going to leave that side, and we're going to make sure that we get this side done tomorrow. Well, he's going to take it tomorrow. Whether or not he gets it done tomorrow, I don't know, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there, guys. I've kind of run out of time, but at least we've got it ready. I've got to put the number plate on, but at least we've got it ready now to get over to the paint shop and let him do his bit. Yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. I'm absolutely sweating today. I don't know what's going on with the weather, but it's just seemed to have really jumped up the heat today. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, but yeah, never mind. So that's it, guys. That is the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop me a comment down below. Give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate all support, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Take care. See you soon.